Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn online classes in Zoom app step by step. First, join the meeting early, test audio and video, and ensure your microphone and camera work properly. Set a clear study space with headphones and a charged device. Organize class files in named folders and sync to cloud storage. Schedule calendar reminders for each live session and block focus time to take active notes and participate fully. Use these Zoom habits to stay engaged and learn more effectively. Pin or switch between speaker and gallery, view based on content. Enable closed captions when available and use the chat for quick questions. Take screenshots of important slides and use the whiteboard to sketch ideas. Use breakout rooms to discuss with peers and exchange resources. Review recording segments and summarize main points after class for better retention. Quick recommendation: if this guide helps, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Robot Face: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, which saves time for study and tidy spaces. It's a simple way to keep your desk clean without interrupting learning. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it as a small investment in focus. Now let's get back to the video. Prepare before class to reduce friction and boost learning. Read materials and list 3 to 5 questions to ask. Test your internet and have a phone hotspot ready as backup. Create a distraction-free workspace with headphones and a charged device. Keep digital and paper notes to capture different information types. Schedule short breaks between sessions and join study groups for accountability to maintain momentum and improve outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.